In a surprising turn of events, former FBI Director James Comey has pleaded not guilty to federal charges of lying to Congress. This development has sparked controversy and raised questions about the integrity of the legal process. Comey, a vocal critic of President Trump, was indicted last month on 2 counts related to his testimony before the Senate Judiciary Committee in 2020. The charges stem from allegations of false statements and obstruction of a congressional proceeding. During his arraignment, Comey's lawyer, Pat Fitzgerald, entered the plea on his behalf. The judge set a trial date for January 2026, and Comey was released without any conditions. But here's where it gets controversial. The timing of the indictment and the replacement of the top federal prosecutor, Eric Siebert, with Lindsay Halligan, a White House aide and Trump's personal attorney, has raised eyebrows. Halligan, who secured the grand jury indictment, is now bringing in additional prosecutors from North Carolina to assist with the case. Comey's legal team plans to challenge the prosecution on multiple fronts. They argue that Halligan's appointment was unlawful and that the case exhibits signs of vindictive or selective prosecution. Additionally, they intend to bring forth allegations of outrageous conduct and irregularities in the grand jury process. President Trump has a long-standing grudge against Comey, believing him responsible for the appointment of a special prosecutor who investigated Trump's campaign's ties with Russia during his first term. This case has ignited a fierce debate, with many questioning the motives behind the prosecution and the potential influence of political agendas. And this is the part most people miss. The legal battle ahead promises to be complex and contentious, with Comey's legal team raising serious concerns about the legitimacy of the charges and the prosecution's conduct. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching implications for the justice system and political landscape. What are your thoughts on this controversial case? Do you think Comey's prosecution is justified, or is it a politically motivated move? Share your insights and opinions in the comments below.